Hey guys, we are finally back with another video. Yay. It's really, it's kind of yucky out today. It's raining like crazy ever since I woke up this morning. On the floor. Oh, all these things. I don't know why this was randomly laying on the floor, but yeah. This thing is legit amazing. I'm not even kidding, but anyway. It's finally time to clean out Biggie Small's cage and give him new bedding, new toys, all that good stuff. Yeah, basically that is what we're gonna be doing today. I did get the Rodent Wheels in the mail from Amazon. Let me go and grab them quick because I really wanna show you guys. So I got Biggie Small's the 11-inch and I got him a blue one. He hasn't tried out a Wodent Wheel yet, so I'm really excited for him to give it a whirl. I got Patch a little 8.5-inch Wodent Wheel as well. Patch is really loving the Wodent Wheels. I think that these are his favorites, so I went ahead and got him another one, you know, because I got one 8.5-inch at the moment and I see him again. He's cleaning himself right now. Just got him a blue and yellow one. Now the only thing is I did get these off of Amazon. I think you can get them off of eBay as well, or you can just go to sugargliders.com and order it from the website. They can tend to be a little bit pricey with the shipping. The shipping is a little bit high, so I don't tend to get these or buy these all the time, but I absolutely love them and I feel like it's time to get some new wheels. I'm gonna get some new wheels, you know what I mean? So anyway, I'm really super happy that they came in. Okay, so I'm probably going to move his cage out from that little corner right there and set it up in the middle of the floor probably. It'll just be a little bit easier for me to navigate since the cage is kind of big. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. You guys, Mochi is awake. Go say hi to Mochi. She just came out of their little ice cream, Heidi. Even though I think she's a little bit too big for it, but still, it was kind of cute to see her going, hi Mochi. Oh, hammy stretches, yay. Get another hammy stretch? Can we get another one? No, okay. Biggie, are you okay? I kind of filled up my trash bag here, so I'm just gonna grab another bag and yeah, we'll be right back. I am gonna use the KT Clean and Cozy in the birthday cake, and I'm hoping that this whole thing is gonna fit in here. It expands really, really nicely. If not, we can always add some more bedding to it, but that's the one I'm gonna use today. It looks funny, it's like a big block. So you guys, he lets me hold him now, so we have come to that point, and I'm very, very happy about that. throw that in. Elizabeth, she just threw the whimsy chew in. Oh. I am finished for now. Biggie Smalls is exploring everything right now, so that is really good. And also excuse the mess in the background. That is something I'm gonna have to clean up now in a minute after I'm done. I'll show you guys. So this is just like an overview of what the cage looks like. First, we got his brand new Rodent Wheel in here. I gave him a platform. What are you doing? I'm literally having issues today. No. Back, I just went ahead and waited a little bit. I went and cleaned everything up down here because it was such a mess, and then I went ahead and put my daughter down for a nap so we can finally finish this video. So like I was saying, I have his new 11-inch rodent wheel in here. We got a little strawberry hut. I got these platforms right here from the kitchen section at Walmart, and then I like to just put some wrapping paper on top of it because there are like holes in it just for it to like act as a platform of some sort, and it works out really nice. Hi Biggie. Also have a tube tunnel thing from Raw Tomazone that he had sent. He has actually really been enjoying that so much, especially during playtime. So I went ahead and put it in his cage this time. Like I was telling you guys in my recent Petco haul, I went ahead and ordered a runabout ball or hamster ball. I went ahead and hung it up and wanted to use it as like a little hideaway. Put some crinklies in here, hide and seek crinklies. Don't have any string, you can also just like put it in the cage and leave it like that for a hideaway, or you can hang it like from the top of the cage. Decided to put it on the side for now just to see if he's even going to like it. Whimsy Chew, another platform. It's a little wooden chew from Petco, and threw some random chews in as well. I got his apple kebab from, I believe that's from Rosewood, and this right here is also from Rosewood. Another bendy bridge, and then over here on the side, I went ahead and separated, used the soft granule bedding just to see if he is even going to like digging in it, and then maybe next time we'll make like a bigger section for him. So I'm hoping he's going to like that. Got a Petco peanut house, a little woven mat, his water bottle, and his food dish. This is just a little overview of his cage, and it seems like he's really enjoying it. He was really exploring earlier, so that is really good. Probably pouching everything right now to hide it somewhere. His feet are like in the dish, and he's like balancing off of it. That's really funny. It's just another little overview of the cage from like above so you guys can kind of see what it looks like all together. Do you like your new setup? Yes. I'm actually going to take just a handful of this right here, and I'm just going to, like a handful of treats, and I'm just going to kind of sporadically put them all over his cage so then he can like forage a little bit as well. It'll get him excited. Yes! What did you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. He's really happy with his new setup, so yeah! try and get a few snapshots of him when he does go into the exercise ball that is hanging from the side of his cage. So if you guys want to follow me on my social medias, I will at some point hopefully be able to get a picture of him going in it, because I just really want to see his reaction and if he's actually even going to use it. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys down below and see you in my next video.